Rescue and clean-up operations are underway in Japan after unprecedented rains pounded the country. Scores have been killed and many are missing after rivers burst their banks in Hiroshima and other areas late on Sunday. In the city of Kurashiki in western Japan, 1,850 people were still trapped on Sunday, according to the country's national broadcaster. Prime Minister Shinzo Abe says rescuers are working against time. Japan's government has set up an emergency management centre. Some 54,000 rescuers have been dispatched to the affected areas. Since Thursday, parts of western Japan have received 3 times the usual rainfall for the whole of July, setting off floods and landslides. Although rain has stopped and floodwaters have receded in some parts of the country, evacuation orders are still in place for some 2 million people. Businesses have also been affected, with automakers Mazda Motor Corp and Daihatsu Motor Co. suspending operations at several plants on Saturday due to a shortage of parts or dangerous conditions. Further rain warnings are in effect, with 300 millimeters predicted to fall in some areas by Monday morning.
Scores of people have been killed in an historic downpour in Japan. In some parts of the country, as much as 23 inches of rain fell between Friday and Saturday. Up to 50 people are still missing. By Saturday morning, 1.6 million residents had been evacuated from their homes. 3 million more were advised to leave over the weekend, as further rainfall and landslides are expected to batter the region. Japan's Chief Cabinet Secretary Yoshihide Suga telling reporters it could be the heaviest downpour Japan has ever faced. Nearly 50,000 first responders have been deployed across western and central Japan. Landslides wreaked havoc in residential areas, causing widespread damage. Manufacturing giants like Mitsubishi and Mazda were also forced to halt operations in some plants, as the flood disrupted supply chains and risked workers' safety. Japan's meteorological agency warned of more rain on Sunday.